ARGO Cargo Kit. Eco-friendliness and mobility are two increasingly popular concepts, and it is for this reason that cargo bikes are becoming more and more popular. But what if you need both a regular vehicle and a cargo vehicle, but don't have too much space? ARGO cargo bikes have found a solution and have developed a unique set capable of modifying an ordinary bicycle in just a minute. It consists of a frame to which the wheel is attached and a cargo compartment. To transform your bike, remove the front wheel and fasten the ARGO Cargo Kit directly to the fork. The finished construction is sturdy, stable, reliable, and of course can withstand many hours of use. The basket can carry loads of up to 68 kilograms and is priced at $1,150. Foldylock Compact. Here is the best way to protect your favorite bike against theft. It's a lock, but not just any lock. It's compact, foldable, and very practical. It's also much more robust than similar products. The device passed tests with a saw, a wire cutter, a hammer, and extremely low temperatures. Foldylock Compact can be fixed at any angle too. When you don't need it, it attaches directly to the bike frame. It's priced at $85. Monkeycycle. The problem with almost all children's bikes is that they're expensive, but children grow up and soon the bike becomes obsolete. Surprisingly, the first transformable bike, able to adapt to the growth of its small owner over the years, was invented only a few years ago. This is the Monkeycycle, which embodies 8 different models. It's hard to believe, but the child can use it from the age of 9 months to 6 years. Then it becomes a mini car that has to be pushed with the feet. The taller the child, the taller the bike. And of course, gradually the extra wheels disappear and the pedals appear. Monkeycycle can be purchased starting at $200. HEXAGON. Ensuring that you're completely safe when cycling in a large and busy city is no easy task. Fortunately, you can remedy this situation with the right devices. Take HEXAGON, for example. It's a tail light that attaches to the bike and connects to the owner's smartphone. A built-in camera transmits images in real time to the phone attached to the handlebar. Thus, while riding, the cyclist is aware of the situation on the road behind them. In addition, HEXAGON functions as a direction light, a brake light, and has an intermittent mode as well. Thanks to this, the bicycle, and thus the cyclist, are more visible on the road, especially in the dark. An additional advantage is that the device allows you to stream videos directly from the bike. It's priced at $40. Moto Parilla Carbon. For those who are used to standing out from the crowd and attracting the attention of others, the Italian company Moto Parilla has created this amazing bike. Every detail of this vehicle deserves our close attention. Let's take a look at the tires. They're large, aggressive, and not only provide greater stability, but also improved grip. So much so that you can ride this bike safely off-road. Another interesting feature is the high-performance electric motor, hidden in the huge vehicle frame. It increases the ride time, allowing you to have more fun while reducing fatigue. The frame, as well as this front fork, is made of carbon fiber. This material and the special structural geometry make the bike sturdy, light, and very maneuverable. The larger parts, such as the brakes and handlebars, improve safety. The price ranges from $6,000 to $11,000, depending on the series. Retyre Modular Tyre System. Here's an invention that will appeal to cycling enthusiasts who don't want to waste any time and aren't used to limiting themselves in anything. The Norwegian company Retyre has created a modular system that allows you to literally transform your bike. It consists of several tyres with a really quick and easy replacement procedure. The technology works as follows. The user carries an extra set of tyres in a bag. They are compact and don't take up much space. When the surface under the wheels changes, for example from asphalt to sand, the rider removes the tire tread and replaces it with another one. Yes, it's as simple as it sounds. Thanks to the heavy-duty zipper, the change is done in less than a minute. The system is compatible with any bike. The manufacturer offers 4 tire options for gravel, snow, ice, and off-road. The price ranges from $45 to $88. DURO Rise. And since we're talking about electric bicycles, we should talk about the DURO Rise from the American company DURO Bikes. The vehicle looks more like a scooter or even a motorcycle, but you don't need a special license to ride it. At the same time, its 1,000-watt electric motor ensures safe riding even when the rider is not pedaling. DURO Rise reaches speeds of up to 45 km per hour, takes only 5 hours to recharge, and on a full charge it can travel 64 km. Do you prefer to pedal on your own? No problem. In that case, the electric motor only helps you on difficult terrain such as steep hills. In addition, DURO Rise has multi-purpose tires for road and off-road, adjustable rear and front suspension, and bright lighting. Pricing starts at $2,400. Unit 1 FARO. Here we have a bike helmet that, in addition to its main purpose, also reduces the risk of getting into an accident in the dark. How? FARO from the company Unit 1 is equipped with a full system of LED lights. They're located both at the front and at the rear. They will warn motorists about braking, turning, and generally make the cyclist more visible on the road, even if it's poorly lit. Water resistance and a smart ventilation system ensure comfortable use as well. This product will cost you $169. Stroke Cargo Trike. Several years ago, the Japanese company Inventions presented a cargo bike with an extremely unusual design. It's a 3-wheeled electric vehicle, whose main feature are 2 large-capacity compartments at the front. They have their own independent suspension, so that during turns the bike doesn't fall sideways and maintains stability. The load capacity of the baskets is up to 60 kilograms. The range in the most economical riding mode is 150 kilometers. Impressive, don't you think? Bosch Kiox. Finally, today's last gadget will be a great addition to absolutely any bike, because Kiox from Bosch is a small onboard computer with an intuitive interface that attaches to the handlebar. When it connects to the owner's smartphone via Bluetooth, it points the way to the destination, indicating not only where and when to turn, but also the remaining distance of the trip.